In this video, we're going to go from this to this using this and this. Okay, so recently purchased this Thunderbird, needed a few little things done to it. One was the fog lights, and now I'm going to do the headlights. So first thing to do would be pop the hood. Okay, to remove the light, get to pull up on this little keeper right here. Looks like I might be missing one right there. Maybe. Anyway, pull up this keeper right here and this one right here. Okay, so use the needle nose. Got that clip pulled out. Set it aside. Oh, this right here, I'll go ahead and take that off. 11 millimeter. You know what? That headlight's broke. Interesting. So yeah, that one's got a broke mount on it. Okay, so it's not moving very easy. Try a little bit of penetrate. Okay. I unplugged this off camera, but it's a simple plug. Just lift this up, unplug it. Slide the assembly out. There we go. So this right here is it's where that piece goes into that locks it in, and then right here too. Then my assemblies are marked left and right. So I'll go ahead and open this one up. Oh, no. Left is driver's side. Right. Open this one up. Okay, so here's a new assembly. It does come with a bulb for the headlight, but not for the flasher. That's why I purchased these. So go ahead and replace the flasher real quick. The turn signal bulb. And this is just so they'll look the same, you know, just make sure that they're in good shape. That was easy enough. Okay, got the right side. When you go to plug in the turn signal light, this one right here is elongated compared to the other two. So match that up. And I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. Just slowly bring her in. There we go. Then next put these back on and then I'll bolt it down. Oh wow, that one went in way easier than it came out. That's good news. There we go. Okay, got that clip in. Oh, a little deviation here. This one uses a nut, so I'll have to get one of those. Okay, so I just happen to have a nut here for it. Throw a washer on it. Go. Now I'm putting on a 10 millimeter for it. It looks like to adjust it, you run this up and down accordingly. There we go. And there it is with the left side replaced, but not the right side. Turn these off. So you can kind of see the difference. Something I didn't show in the beginning is that you probably want to have your car at set distance from the garage door or a wall and mark where your headlights are currently at. Then when you replace them, just use masking tape or whatever. Then after you replace them, you can adjust these to match that. So they should be in pretty good shape on height. And now I'm working on the driver's side. Again, it was 11 millimeter to take it off. So I'll go ahead and take care of that real quick. That one's definitely broke too. Yikes. So these had to be replaced regardless of what I thought of how they actually look. Boy, that one's in good. There we go. There we go. That guy out of the way. And pull that out. Well, that one came out much easier. Okay, slide the headlight out. Unplug that. And it does not come with the turn signals I mentioned before, so that's why I'm replacing these. So, and again, line this up with the longest one on the parking light. Carefully feed the wires through. There we go. No, it didn't. There we go. That one's in. I believe this is an M6 1.0 hex nut. And it's a 10 millimeter on the head of it. gorgeous. Oh, she looks great. Very big improvement. Very big. Little side-by-side comparison. These lights will be down there in the description, the ones that I actually purchased. And also don't forget to check out my video on the fog lights, and there'll be videos also on brakes and replacing the Thunderbird emblem on the left rear quarter panel. So anyway, thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.